Hi Kalaminians, we're here now at Lemon Restaurant and we're checking out their mystical Eastern buffet. So come, let's check this out.
What we have done is that as a team we have sat down and looked at the market in Cebu. We're looking at the Northern Indian, the Indian as well as the Mediterranean, and we are fusing it all together. So when you come down, you can see some of the items is actually originating from Pakistan, down to Nepal, down to India, Northern Indian, Southern Indian, as well as also the Mediterranean. So the food itself is going to enrich all your palates. It's like a kicker, especially the soto ayam. The soto ayam is actually a chicken soup. Right, back to our native way, we can call that as tinola manok. Right, but the unique thing that the twist is there, the bone is boneless. Right, I have tinola manok which is boneless also, but the thing is with turmeric and a lot of spices. So once you get that, it wakes you up.
This is only one of many trips. We call this the World Culinary Journey. As I mentioned, we started the year strong with Sinulog, which is very local, very Cebuano. Then we extended to Chinese New Year, which is of course Chinese and Asian. February, which is more of Valentine's, is more of a fusion twist. Then right now, we're exploring something Eastern and Mediterranean. As we move towards April, we're going to Tasman, which is Australia and New Zealand. So something to look forward to. And the months after that is going to be very interesting.
You guys definitely know Benny, right? He's the president of the organization. So with Benny's intention and also Aaron's intention, we are bringing all the culinary down to you guys. So together with SHAMSUDDIN, right, we form the executive committee. And the executive committee is spearheading all the unique taste buds.
Hi Kalami, Cebu! Really, what's your favorite here? Because the grand ayun lang tayo. Gusto ko may matasa. Oh yes! I love the mati. Which part of me is? Delicious bak at delicious baboy. It was my first time to eat kambing. Mami kanding. It was good. You should try the mutton here. So we just had an awesome lunch here at Lemon Restaurant at Golden Prince Hotel. We love Middle Eastern food, Indian food, and Southeast Asian dishes. You better check out this new buffet.